हेलो एवरीवन। क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि जैसे हम मनी को आज जानते हैं वो कैसे आया? फॉर दैट वी हैव टू गो अ लॉन्ग टाइम बैक इन हिस्ट्री व्हेन द फर्स्ट कॉइन्स were made out of a naturally occurring mix of gold and silver known as electrum in the Luhdian kingdom, which is now a part of modern day Turkey. To ensure authenticity, rulers soon began engraving their images on the coins. They became widely known. They were a game changer, and soon many civilizations like the Greeks, Persians, and Romans started making coins out of different metals and designs. And so the money we know today started its journey. Thank you, everyone.